new approaches to the protected areas. In the past, the protected areas were pieces of land isolated one from the other. Now, more and more is looking to create corridors that are habitats that unite different pieces of land so that the species can move from one place to the other. And we can guarantee that this movement of individuals permit them to reproduce and not the extinction of the species. And as well, they are creating areas of connectivity conservation that are large pieces of land united geographically so that it will guarantee more the conservation of the species. Now I'm going to talk about protected areas after this general view of what happened in the global aspects. The protected areas are the instruments of environmental policy with more legal definition for the preservation of biodiversity and environmental services. They are lands or aquatic portions that represent the different ecosystems in parts where the original environment has not been essentially altered and that produce ecological benefits that are each time more recognized and valued. The protected areas have proven everywhere to be the most important and effective instrument for in situ conservation of the natural ecosystems and their biodiversity, as well as cultural and intangible patrimony when existent. They cannot be considered closed space. That's why we are talking about corridors. It is important to emphasize that ecosystems, forests, and trees offer important services such as reducing the vulnerability during natural disasters or serving as water purifiers that cities use. For example, when we look in all Latin America, that in the coast they destroy the mangroves, what happened? They destroyed the mangroves, came all these climatic disasters, the hurricanes, and the impact is much more in the areas where the destruction is done.